Next month, one West Palm Beach couple will run in the Boston Marathon for a boy who was never able to. Ariana Volbert, and a Boston native who was at the Boston Marathon during the bombing 5 years ago, and her husband Chad will run in honor of Martin Richard, an 8-year-old boy who died in the attack. The Volberts are raising money for the Martin Richard Foundation, formed by Martin's parents to help young people learn, grow, and lead through volunteerism and community engagement.
We want to live out Martin Richard, what his life stood for, and those values that really will carry on in his loss. He can't run anymore, but we can.
If you'd like to help Chad and Ariana reach their goal, visit their CrowdRise page. So far, they've met about half of their goal of $15,200. Again, all of the money raised will be donated to the Martin Richard Foundation.